Andre. Yay, we have Andre. Yay, we have Andre.
I'm on the buyer's bus today.
Hi, we're on the buyer's bus tour. The tour is nice, the bus is fabulous.
Learn about purchasing a home. Had fun on the bus.
I'm glad I did come because I'm originally from New York. It's worth the look, it's worth the time. It breaks down something that you can't do on your own because he's more established, he knows what he's doing.
There was something there for everyone.
It's a good way to see all the surrounding areas in Raleigh and see the different house plans and just make an informed decision.
On the bus, you get a lot of vital information.
I recommend it to anybody. The awesome agent, Andre, he's definitely got the bells and whistles laid out for us today, and I so appreciate him.
Andre, the person who sponsors this, is a wonderful person.
He's been such a wonderful help along the way in the process.
Someone that can help you with your funding, if your credit's not where it needs to be, what type of loans you qualify for.
We've seen a lot of great property. I'm going to be a new homeowner, so all of this is new to me, but I'm so loving it.
The buyer's bus came by today. The bus was packed. We had a great turnout. It was a great experience, a great day.
Get the chance to experience different areas that you would never probably even consider. With the rate of rental now, you're better off trying to own something instead of trying to pay somebody else's mortgage. You can pay your own mortgage.
And please don't miss the bus.
Thanks for coming on by.